Struggling to stay productive? Fear not, I'm here to guide you with this comprehensive productivity course, designed to make you the Iman Gadzhi of productivity. To uncover the best productivity techniques, I spent the last 46 days diving into interviews, thousands of articles, 6 bestsellers, and the routines of the most productive people. 73 pages of notes later, I've crafted a productivity course that actually works, all in under 10 minutes. Let's get started. Module 1. Set crystal clear goals. Before diving into your 6 side hustles, university work, or that trusty 9 to 5, take a moment to reflect on your goals. Writing about your goals might seem like a tedious task, but trust me, it's worth every second. Without clear goals, you're navigating without a map. Now, let's bring in Warren Buffett's wisdom. He had his pilot, Mike Flint, list his top 25 career goals, then circle the top 5, and forget the rest. We're cutting through the noise, focusing on what truly matters. Simplify and prioritize. Exercise. Take 5 minutes to write down your top 10 goals. Circle the top 3 to 5 goals that align with your values and priorities. Write down why these goals are important to you. Module 2. Craft a winning schedule. With your top 5 goals set, it's time to break them down. Think of specific weekly and daily tasks that will make these goals a reality. Break it down like a game plan. Once you have your tasks, slot them into your daily schedule. Think time blocks, flexible yet firm. For me, it's morning writing sessions and a workout at 6 p.m. Find your non-negotiables and stick to them. Tips: use a planner or calendar to schedule your tasks. Set reminders and notifications to stay on track. Leave some buffer time for unexpected tasks or emergencies. Module 3. Plan your day like a pro. William James, a renowned psychologist, emphasized that habits and schedules free our minds for greater things. With a limited amount of energy each day, planning your day the night before reduces stress and maximizes productivity. Most of the time, we waste energy deciding what to do next. By planning ahead, you eliminate uncertainty and boost productivity. Exercise. Take 10 minutes each night to plan your next day. Write down your top 3 to 5 tasks for the day. Prioritize your tasks based on importance and urgency. Module 4. Embrace the Jerry Seinfeld technique. When the next day arrives and you're feeling uninspired, don't reach for your phone. Instead, try the Jerry Seinfeld technique. Stare at a blank wall or your workspace for 5 to 10 minutes. This simple act helps jumpstart your brain. Trust me, it works every time. Just keep your phone out of sight. Tips: use this technique when you're feeling stuck or unmotivated. Take a few deep breaths and focus on your surroundings. Let your mind wander and explore new ideas. Module 5. Master deep work. Forget working 8 to 9 hours non-stop. What you need is deep work, focused, uninterrupted blocks of time. Typically, 90-minute sessions work best. Inspired by Cal Newport's book, Deep Work, this technique will help you achieve more in less time. To reach your flow state, first, ditch your phone. Find a comfortable, distraction-free zone. I prefer a local cafe. Dive deep and see the magic happen. Exercise. Schedule 2 to 3 deep work sessions per day. Eliminate distractions during your deep work sessions. Take breaks between sessions to recharge and refocus. Module 6. Read to succeed. Reading isn't just for scholars. It's a powerful productivity hack. Experts like Daniel Goleman and Howard Gardner highlight the benefits of reading for focus, critical thinking, and problem solving. Journaling, meditating, and reading aren't just fancy time wasters, they're essential for boosting productivity. Tips: read for at least 30 minutes each day. Choose books that align with your goals and interests. Take notes and reflect on what you've learned. Conclusion: by setting clear goals, crafting a smart schedule, planning ahead, and practicing deep focus, you'll become the Iman Gadzhi of productivity in no time. Remember, productivity is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Be patient, stay consistent, and you'll see results. That's it for the world's smallest productivity course. Now, go out there and conquer your day. Bonus tips: use the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It uses a timer to break down work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. This technique helps you maintain focus, reduces mental fatigue, and improves your overall productivity. Exercise: download a Pomodoro Technique timer app or use a manual timer. Set the timer for 25 minutes, 1 Pomodoro, and work on a single task without any distractions. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Repeat this process for 3 to 4 Pomodoros. Then take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Batch similar tasks. Batching similar tasks together can help you save time and reduce the mental energy required to switch between different tasks. By grouping similar tasks, you can maintain focus and momentum, which ultimately leads to increased productivity. Exercise. Identify tasks that are similar in nature, such as responding to emails, making phone calls, or creating content. Schedule blocks of time dedicated to each task type in your daily or weekly schedule. During these time blocks, focus solely on the task at hand and avoid multitasking. Remember, productivity is a continuous journey, and it's essential to find what works. By incorporating these tips and techniques into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to becoming the Aman Godzi of productivity. Happy learning!